The key layout on calculators and phones differs primarily due to their distinct purposes and historical development. Here are a few reasons why the calculator key layout differs from that of phones. Functionality. Calculators are designed primarily for numerical computations and mathematical operations. Hence, their key layout is optimized for quick and easy access to numerical digits, arithmetic operations, and mathematical functions such as trigonometric functions, logarithms, and square roots. On the other hand, phones prioritize alphanumeric input for text messaging, calling, and other communication functions. Therefore, phone keypads include both letters and numbers to accommodate text input. Historical context. The key layout of calculators dates back to the time when mechanical calculators were prevalent. Mechanical calculators featured a layout that was efficient for manual calculations. As electronic calculators were developed, their key layout largely retained the traditional design for consistency and familiarity. Phone keypads, on the other hand, have evolved to accommodate various communication needs over time, including text messaging, contact lists, and other features. Ergonomics and size. Calculators typically have larger keys compared to phone keypads, which allows for comfortable and accurate input during extensive numerical calculations. The larger keys on calculators make it easier to press individual buttons without accidentally pressing adjacent ones. Phone keypads, on the other hand, are smaller to fit within the compact size of mobile devices, making it more challenging to press individual buttons accurately. Standardization. Calculator key layouts have been standardized over time, with many calculators following a similar design. This standardization ensures consistency across different calculator models and makes it easier for users to adapt to new calculators. In contrast, phone key layouts have varied across different manufacturers and models, as there is less standardization in the phone industry due to factors such as varying screen sizes, touchscreens, and evolving user interface designs. While there have been efforts to introduce calculators with phone-like key layouts or incorporate calculator functions into smartphones, the differences between the two key layouts largely stem from their distinct purposes and historical development.